Before we get started, make sure you go down, like the video, make sure you subscribe. We have tons of videos coming, lots of exciting stuff, so make sure you stay tuned and subscribe. Welcome back to another video, guys. Out here on the lake, first day of 2020. It's 85 degrees. Finally have some trees starting to bloom. I think it's March 26th. So it is the official start of spring and summer, and we're out here. Boat's running great. Everything's doing really well. So we're gonna get out here, get a couple drone shots. We have a new drone this year, so it should be able to keep up with the boat a lot better and speed-wise. Hopefully we can get some awesome drone footage of even wakeboarding, tubing, and everything like that. So make sure you stay tuned from that. But for now, hope everybody's having a good time. Hopefully everybody's making it through all of this pandemic stuff, and enjoy the footage. Alrighty guys, that's going to wrap it up for this video. Hope everybody enjoyed it. Some quick clips with the new drone. It's going to make some awesome videos this year. Can't wait to get the boat back out. I'm going to pull it out right now. We're going to get it washed. We're going to get the inside done, the floors, the outside. I may record it, I may not, but make sure you stay tuned for the next video. We'll catch you later. Have a good day.